Hey everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Marketing with Clairant. My name is Desiree Halleck and I'm the owner of Clairant Services, which is a marketing agency for startups and small businesses. Today, we're going to talk about how to use social media to grow your brand. So, we all know that success in marketing depends heavily on how effective you leverage your brand across multiple channels. And one of those ways is using social media. So, social media can be very effective to gain a lot of business from your target audience. This video will help you come up with a plan for your social media. The first thing I want to talk about is really listening to your customers. And we can do this by engaging with them. The nice thing about social media is that it's a two-way street. And anybody who engages with your posts, you can contact them in some way. So essentially, if you spend enough time on social media, you can learn about what your target audience is looking for. And you can also use these people as your contacts, and they can become leads who are future customers for your products or services. The next thing is using video. Video is definitely super effective. It's more than 300% more effective than any text post or a still image post. So keep that in mind that really nothing beats video when you're thinking about getting your messaging across to your target audience on social media. The next thing is to raise brand awareness. So the more consistently you can be posting on social media, and I don't mean once a week, I don't mean once a month, I mean at least once a day. And if you can do more than that, please do. The more they see your brand at the top of that feed, the more they're going to be inclined to engage with your content. The next thing is to establish yourself as an authority. You want to show that you are a thought leader in your industry by posting good quality content. And this means engaging content that is informational, educational, it can be entertaining, depending on your products and your services and your industry. Make sure that your target audience can come to you to learn more about your products or services or your industry. So provide good quality content that people will come back for. The next thing is always use a strong call to action. Anything that will cause your target audience or your visitors to your content to actually take action. So a lot of people will post their blogs on their social media, give a little teaser, link them over to your blog. So click here to learn more. Okay, something like that, something that's engaging and it makes your visitors or the people engaging with your content take action. Very important. You are leaving a lot of money on the table if you don't include call to actions in your posts. The last thing is offering promotions and discounts. Now, I understand that a lot of companies don't give out discounts, and I respect that, and that's fine. But what you can do is offer more value to the products and services that you are already promoting. So make sure to take advantage of the products and services that you already promote and how you can enhance them in some way to make it more exciting for your engaged audience to purchase something from you. Show them what value that you offer, and that can be in the form of a promotion. So really, regardless of the product or service that you offer, everybody is looking on social media for advice on which products and services are the best. So if you're not on social media, be on it now. And if you need help with this, our busy bees at Clairant are always helping our customers gain more traction on social media. You can check out our website at clairantservices.com, and we'll see you next time for 5 Minute Marketing with Clairant.